asking the question, where do we go? Okay, you're asking the question, you're not sure, you want a divorce, you're not sure if you want a divorce or you don't want a divorce, there's difficulties in the marriage, you've tried therapy before, where do you go from here? Do you go to a mediator or do you go to a couples therapist? So I want to make some distinctions over here. When do you go to a mediator and when do you go to therapy? So here's my distinction, my way of looking at it. If you're dealing with issues that are deal breaker issues, in other words, if one side is determined to divorce and the other side's not sure, or certainly if both sides want a divorce, right? Or third alternative, if you're dealing with issues where there's a strong disagreement that could result in the breakup of the marriage. In other words, it's a deal breaker issue. It doesn't matter how trivial the issue is. If the issue is such that this is a deal breaker, okay, if we don't solve this issue, so we're going to get divorced. So in those three situations, you want to go to mediation. Again, if both sides want a divorce, if one side is determined to divorce, or if you're dealing with arguments that are deal breaker issues, then you go to mediation to solve those issues and come to an agreement. On the other hand, if the issues are such so that there's a general problem in the marriage, there's a lack of intimacy, or there's a lack of respect, or there's all of the issues, the general issues that happen in marriage, where you feel like you need an improvement in the marriage, in the relationship, so then you want to go to